There is an argument for the existence of God that I have only lately formulated and developed, and that is the argument from the applicability of mathematics, what Eugene Wigner called the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics. I've argued that this is best explained by the fact that there is a transcendent, intelligent designer of the universe who has constructed the physical universe on the mathematical model that he had in mind. And that is why mathematics is so unexpectedly effective in describing physical phenomena. I don't know, however, that I would have used this argument more had I developed earlier, because the appeal of this argument, I think, is very selective. I imagine it only appeals to students who have had some training in mathematics or mathematical physics, and therefore understand this puzzle that gripped Wigner as to why mathematics is so unexpectedly effective in describing physical phenomena. People who haven't studied mathematics or high-level theoretical physics often have difficulty even seeing what the problem is. So in talking to a popular audience, I'm not sure that this would be the best argument to share.